Okay, so first of all, you have to start work with some extra, explanations. Okay, so from the table x and fx, -2, -1. So in the examination also, you just copy the, data first of all. Then you can analyze sometime. Then you can work. Okay, so consider there are how many points are there? If you take this one as 0.1, 2, 3, but 1, 2, 3, 4 points, no? N plus 1 point. So 4 points. Okay, we can we also use Lagrangian points. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use x naught and x in. So you just explain for some in 1 or 2 line, explain what you are going to take as this value. I'm going to take as x naught. Okay, so you don't need to write, just write something like this. Okay, so the people who are correcting, and also you can also, it will be easily interpret. Okay, x3 is equal to 3. So whatever you are taking as new thing, you have to explain. Okay, therefore polynomial, what do you think? Polynomial degree will be polynomial of degree. As I said, if it is 4 points, we have to take n point, no, like 3, isn't it? So whatever this one is the yeah, degree will be 3. Okay, so don't confuse yourself. Okay, this will be I mean the number of points. This will be degree will be according to the up to 0. This also we have one coefficient, this coefficient, this one, this one, this one. So we'll have up to degree 3. Okay, just explain something regarding this. And then anyway, this order or degree, nothing there, but just show your knowledge. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, let me start from you can write the equation first of all, then you can substitute. Okay, so you got, so that's, I'm just showing you how to answer the question. Okay, just copy the idea. So x minus x naught, x minus x1, up to, you don't write x minus xi, isn't it? And then down part will be xi minus x naught. Whatever you are left out here, you have to put here. Okay, all the other term will be come. So here, see here, you can write the, this one is a common one. Okay, you can write up to n. Okay, same thing what we have written earlier. Okay, now we're gonna use for our according to our example. Okay, here you can see we have here also you can notice 0, 1, 2, 3. Only this much of points I have. Okay, so how, so you can take this one as the main equation. Okay, I'm gonna use this equation for what if I is equal to 0 and x naught, my x naught value will be -2. So this, yeah, L0 x will be changed into, so what I need to put, so I'm just substituting my equation according to my this star equation. Okay, so here denominator, I need to put this one, no, x naught minus x1, something like that. So I can put this one. So whatever I'm putting, so this, I'm just showing how to easily write without making any mistakes. Okay, so what are, if I am taking 0th value, I need to, okay, I'll take another color so it will be easy to distinguish. For example, if I am working with this value, I need to omit this one, but I need to add these all other term now. So I need to have -1, x -1, x minus other one, sorry, minus -1, no, minus, sorry. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so this is make your things confuse, make mistakes. So you have to be carefully put these things. Okay, the plus minus, if you fail in the here, if you make mistake in the first steps, so automatically you don't need to do, no, everything will be wrong. So this will be +1, this will be +3, no, 3. Okay, So you just copy whatever here, okay? This one, there's nothing changed. Only thing is you have to put the value, whatever the value you are putting here, okay? See, very easy, you won't make any mistake, okay? So I can write, I can simplify again, x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3 divided by some number. What is the number? Minus 2 plus 1, no? So if you still confused, you can write minus 2 plus 1. Okay, this will be minus 3, this will be minus 5. So I will have, this one will be minus 1, no? So you can use your pencils if you want, okay? If you don't want to again write, you can use your pencil. So this will be minus 1. So minus 1 times minus 3 will be plus 3 minus 5. So 1 over 50. You can write nicely. Can you multiply these? So you will surely get what? Degree of polynomial of degree 3, no? X times x, no? So you will get x to the power cube. So this is what I say. You will have the polynomial of degree n. So if I degree 3, you will get x to the power cube. Something. Okay, can you find this one? Can you multiply and tell me? So please make it faster. So otherwise we can't finish today this step. There, I got one answer. Let's see others. So 3x squared minus x minus 3. Okay. So for now, don't simplify more. Okay. Please keep it as it is. Just like that. Okay. We can do that later. Okay. If you finish, go for the, it is plus 3, no? Yeah. Sorry. So go for the L1, L2. I think you can go for up to L4. The similar way. Okay. These steps also follow. Don't skip, your talent here, because sometimes you may make that's why I'm just telling you again, because you will make in this only you are making mistakes. Even the best person make mistake. Even I can make mistake, because I'm just the plus and minus. Okay, so if you make the mistake here, it will be ruined all your answers. So you better be carefully put this one first. Okay, even though you answer wrong, you may get some marks for these steps. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. Okay, go for the L1, L2, L3 up to L4, because since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 4 points. So you will have 4 polynomials. So only thing is you have to omit whatever you are taking in the numerator, but the same point you have to put the denominator. That's all, no? It's not a big thing. What about the others? I got only one answer, no, so far. Can others tell me other answers? Okay, so you can nicely write, if I is equal to 2, my x1 will be minus 1, no? Yeah. So what will be my L1 of x? Okay, this will also give one polynomial. Okay, I'll write the polynomial, you just check yours. Okay, L1 will be 1 over 8. See whether it is correct. Plus 6. Okay, this is my second. Similarly, all the steps are yours. Okay, don't just skip, do it everything. Y is equal to 2, x2 will be 1. So L2 of x, I got minus 1 by 12, x to the power cube minus 7x. So we are missing one term here anyway, because of the cancellation. Okay, so 1, 3. So I is equal to 3. If my x3 is equal to 3, L3 3 of x. Yeah, sorry, it goes up to L3, no? 1 over 40 x to the power cube. Don't simplify more. Just keep like this. Okay, we can simplify later, not now. So how to multiply x minus 1, x, for example, let's say x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3. Why nobody answered? So how to do that? These are school levels, no? So first of all, you multiply first of these two. So it will be x plus 1, x minus 1. So x squared minus 1, a plus b, a minus b, kind of. Okay. Again, x minus 3. So how to multiply? This is just a cancellation now. X squared, it is like x squared times x minus 3 minus 1 times x minus 3. Okay. This will be x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 3. That's all. Okay. So you have to multiply in this way. Even if it is 4 terms, 5 terms, after getting these 3, you multiply this one with the other one. And again, the answer with the other one. Okay. So whatever the polynomial, we have to do in the same way. So we will have some exercises. You can do that later. Okay. Is that my answers are correct? Second one, third one, fourth one. Let me know. That's the answers. Is this correct or not? Just substitute whatever we got in this way. You just substitute. Okay, x minus the next one. If it is L1, x minus, for in this case, you have to put the next value. Okay, so you have to put. I mean, for example, let's say for the second one, I need to omit this one, but I need to take all the other values. Okay, for example, I need to put x minus 2. Okay, sorry, minus into minus plus 2. Okay, and then so you better put minus minus. Okay, and then x minus 1 I need to avoid, so I need to go for next one, x minus 1, x minus 3, I guess. Okay, so here I need to put minus 1 minus into minus 2, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. That's all. No, for L2 case you need to avoid the 1, so you have to put x minus minus 2, x minus minus 1. Okay, I need to skip the 1 part and I need to take the other part. Okay, so whichever you are considering, you skip it and use that one down. Okay, minus minus 2 and 1 minus. So you can copy these. So minus minus 1, 1 minus 3. That's all. Okay, so this one same. So x minus minus 2, x minus minus 1, x minus. So I need to avoid the 3 now. So minus 1. So here I can use my 3. 3 minus minus 2, 3 minus minus 1, and 3 minus 1. Okay, good. Hope you get the answers. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we are not finished. We just find polynomial. Okay. Okay, please others also take the screenshot so you can try later. We're gonna continue. Okay. Okay, now Now Lagrange form of interpolating polynomial is, so you can write fully, okay? Actually, what is our polynomial? Summation. So summation I is equal to 0 to n yi li x, okay? So you can substitute. First one, what is our y1? Y1 will be minus 15, okay? Times. So in this, so they may give you something very, make it very simpler one, okay? So somewhere it will be related. That's why I told you to not simplify earlier, okay? So here I got 1 over 15, this one, no? X cube minus 3x squared minus x plus 3, no? Okay, so write correctly. So to show you the difference, I use the different brackets, okay? Use in that way. So this is 15. See, you will get this one out now. So that's the purpose I told you, okay? So write down the other things. Plus, what about the next term will be, okay, you can also write, okay, after this one, you just write something, okay? Sorry, here you can write substituting the values of equations 1 to 4 and by fxi values, fx values we obtain. So just include some explanation what we are doing, okay? So next one, I think we have minus 4 times, just write down the things, how it's, okay? This will be 1/8. So that's what I say. Something you may make it very easier way, okay? They will, that's why I, okay, give me a second. Okay, you can write everything quickly. X cube minus 2x squared minus 8x, is that 8x? 5x, isn't it? 5x plus 6, okay? And the next one will be 0 times, so it will be very easy, okay? If it is 0, we don't need to bother anything, okay? So just substitute first of all. Yeah, next one, 20 times, no? So here we have 1 over 40. So see, you can make very easier. 2x squared minus x minus 2, isn't it? Okay, so now just simplify. So minus cancel out, 50 cancel out. So the answer will be something x cube minus 3x squared minus x plus 3, okay? And then you have minus also. So minus, so this one you can divide by 2. So just multiply here also, you have to be carefully multiply minus there. So half x cube, so minus into minus plus, yeah, half into 2, 1, no? So plus 1x squared, okay? So in this calculation also, you have to be careful, okay? Minus plus. So this will be, so don't forget about this 2, okay? 5 by 2, no? 5 by 2x, and also minus there, no? Minus 6 by 2, 3, no? 3. Okay, likewise, so this one 0, so nothing, 0. This one, see, this one 1 time, this one 2 times. So half x squared, and then half into 2 will be x squared, and half x, and minus 1. Now, if you simplify this one, you will get something very simpler equation, okay? I think you will get something, if you, this is the only thing you will get, plus x minus 1, okay? See, at last you will get one polynomial, which will be in the degree of 3, sometime less than 3, okay? So this is what we are expecting. We have found one polynomial, which we can use whatever the x value, we can find a y value, okay? Okay, please write down the things. Okay, for example, let's say our interval is minus 2 to 3, no? So what if f of 0. 0 value is not there in the table. So only thing is you have to substitute in a, you can change this one as 3 now. So in this P3 of x, okay. So P3 of 0. So if you substitute 0 for these values, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. So my 0th value will be minus 1. What if, x equal to 0? What if x equal to, let's say, 4, something outside? Okay, if you put something inside, we call this one will be a interpolation. Okay, this is a interpolation. If you put outside variable, you say outside value, we say extrapolations. Okay, extrapolations. So if you put, so what do you get? F of 4. So if you put x equal to 4, 4 to the power cube minus 4 to square minus plus 4 minus 1. So what is the answer? See, this is the purpose of this study. Okay, so we are gonna find one polynomial which we can find our any values. Okay, they only gave you some data, and that data we are using one method to find a polynomial which we can use for to find any values outside or inside. Okay, so if it is inside, we call interpolation. If it is outside, we call it as a extrapolations. So you can write, since 4 is not outside the interval. That's why we call. So I hope you seen the definition I gave you already. Okay, hope you understand the methods how you can do these questions. So I will allocate some extra questions in homework quiz. Okay, so let's continue our lectures. I think after 12th week, just notice in your correct, your academic calendar, only 12 weeks for the lectures. Okay, we are in the 9th week. Okay, after we almost finish our chapter 3. Okay, chapter 1, 2, everything are finished. We have one more chapter. Okay, hopefully we can finish within 12. Okay, I think 13, 14 something, 2 weeks you have a practical sessions. So on that period itself, not only your practical, but also all the exam will be held. Okay, I'm also planning to have your exams on that period. So you please make use of these times to study everything. Okay, so we will have the find some half an hour or 1 hour times to do our exams. So we should have 4 continuous assessments. Okay, I'm planning, but I don't know. Okay, 3 is a written one. 1 is like a presentation. You have to come to the board and explain me the method, any method if I'm asked you. Okay, so that's how you have to study. Prepare yourself for the exam now itself. Okay, so if possible, I will do this way. Okay, so then we can find yeah, so that's for now the planning. So let's see what's happened. Okay, so let's continue our module. Okay, let's see what is next. So we have seen this one, assistance and uniqueness part. So we have finished. We have done an example. We can homework with 6, you can see. Next one, please put the heading, inverse interpolations. So that is not a big thing. It will be same thing in a different way. Okay. Okay. Just write down something about it. Just put the heading inverse interpolation. Don't write these things. I will come back. Okay. Let's go to inverse interpolations. Okay. So this is our third heading in our method. Okay. Inverse. So first one is our finite differences. Finite difference. Second one, is our Lagrangian method. This one will be a third one. Okay, inverse interpolation. Okay, likewise, what we have done in our, not like that, but the things. Okay, for example, if first from this one we have find the y values now. For example, if I say x and y 0 value minus 1, 2, 8 something, if it is unequal or equal, okay, equal case also you can find in this also. Okay, for example 15, 18, 8, just some numbers. Okay, 258, some numbers. Okay, in that sense, if I ask you anything number which I don't give you in the table, okay, so using this table you can develop a polynomial. Okay, something in the degree of whatever the numbers. Okay, for example, it is four numbers, so you can get the 0, 1, 2, 3. So you will get a degree of 3, x cube. Okay, then I can put any number. For example, if I want to find the 0th value, I can put x equal to 0. Okay, I can substitute in this polynomial also, and I can find the value. So what is actually this one? This one is the yi values, no? But what if I ask you to find the, giving you the yi value and ask you to find the xi value? For example, here 15, 8, 64, something, no? So what if x equal to 128? What is the x value? So in that case, you can't use this one, no? So there you have to use our inverse, okay? Like that, if you have the equation the yi, so far all our equations are in yi. So if you give any value of x, we can find the yi. But what if they give you the yi value, how to find the xi value? That is we called as a inverse interpolations. Okay, so let's write something about it, then we can develop the equations. Okay, so write down under the inverse interpolation. Okay, for a, write down, for a given set of values of x and y, we have been so far finding the values of y. So y, for any x, y, value, y and value I have given, we develop one polynomial and find the finding the values of y, essentially y. Okay, corresponding to certain value of x. Okay, value of x. Now the process, okay, this is full stop. The process of finding the value of x, okay, value of x for a certain value of y is called, okay, inverse interpolation. So that's what I explained you here. Okay, so this is talking about x to y. Okay, this is talking about what is y to x. You can just simply write like this. Okay, so we have 5 minutes, but yeah. Okay. Okay, let me make it faster possible. Okay, there are two methods we can develop here. Okay, yeah, one is we call as a iterative method, which is used for, you know, Newton's Gregory method. Okay, the inverse of Newton's-Gregory method. And second one is a inverse Lagrange method. Okay, this is inverse of the Lagrange method. Okay, so this only we're gonna see. After that, we can finish our chapter. Okay, so I'll go for a little. I'm just making fast. Okay, possibly. So first one, iterative method. Okay, I will send this notes if I finish, but you can roughly write. Okay, so I'm not gonna give you the full notes for now. Possibly we can find some time next week, but yeah. So when the values are equally spaced, so we know we have used this for the equal space, isn't it? Equal space. Okay, and this iterative method can be used. Okay, so we know our, for example, for our Newton's-Gregory forward interpolations. Okay, forward interpolation, we have y naught plus p. Delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial of delta squared y naught p into p minus 1 p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. So it goes. So it goes. So in that sense, what is p? Okay. So if I needed the p value, okay, that's what the inverse, no? So invert in the sense, okay, we are going to find the inverse way of finding this, value of x, so finding the x values. So p will be, okay, see here, if I take this also have p and all, okay, I'm gonna take this one this side and this one this side, okay. So I'm gonna keep this one and take the other terms at that side, then only I can get the positive value, okay. So p of delta y naught, so I'm keeping this one, I'm taking all these terms this side, okay, it will be yp minus y naught, okay. So I need to divide it by delta y naught now, y naught, and then minus this goes this way, you write down everything, okay. 2 factorial gradient square y naught and all these terms, okay. So if I neglect, I'm just explaining, okay. If I neglect these terms, all these, okay, because or if I have a small value, all these squared, cube, everything will be small, no? So that's what they, for now, to get one nice equation, what they are doing is neglecting the second order and the higher order. You will have, let's say, P1. P1 will be 1 over delta y naught, yp minus y naught. This is only I will have, no? I'm going to omit these. So I have found P1 now. Then to get the next, okay, second order. So for the P2, I am using this P1 for these terms, okay, and then I'm going to find this one. So I'll take this one. For example, P2 will be, I can use the approximation, okay, because I'm omitting something now, so I can't use equal sign, so I'm using the approximations. So P2 will be 1 over, again, delta y naught, okay, so you can check yp minus y naught, but for the other p terms, I can use my earlier p1, okay, 2 factorial gradient squared y, okay, all the other terms I am omitting, okay. Similarly, so this is p2. Similarly, for the third order, I am omitting other terms, then p3. So p3 will be 1 over delta y naught. So I can use p1 comma p2 no. So I'm going to use yp minus y naught minus the next term, p2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta squared y naught. And I need to take the next term also because I'm taking the third order. Okay. So this will be p2 minus 1, p2 minus 2. Okay. P2 divided by 3 factorial times the delta cube y naught. Okay. This one. Similarly, I can derive all the nth term. Okay. The process continue till the desired level of accuracy. So how much you want, you can get it. Okay, so I will explain this example and inverse one. the next lecture, okay? Because we are finished. Okay, we'll meet you. We can meet in the next lecture.